Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things and gesticulating wildly. Ooh, I'm like a puppet. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really super appreciate it. Today, I have a palette that's been out for a minute, but it took me a while to get it. It is from the UK. It is from Jolie Beauty. It is the Ethereality palette. It is gorgeous. Wait till you take a gander at this. Ah, I know. Look how beautiful that is. There are a couple of pressed glitter shades in here which surprised me. And there's a couple of multi-chromes. But everything else is matte and shimmers, and the formula is fantastic. So we're going to be doing a look with that. But what would it be to look at the palette and not have swatches? Would you like some swatches? I've got some swatches for you. And a terrible British accent. Okay, magic swatches in 3, 2, 1. Bam! Here are some of the glitters I was telling you about. And it's very beautiful. It swatched okay. It was swatched all right. But I think that it's going to be much better with a brush and such as that. Such things as brushes and eyeshadow looks. So let's get in here with something soft and pretty. I'm going to start with Fantasy. It is a pale lavender color. It is very soft and pretty. It's something like, oh, there's some kick up in the pan. There we go. It's buildable. It's very pretty. But there's kick up. But it's gorgeous. It's just like a whisper of lavender. And that is a great way to start off this look. I'm next going to go into, let's see, because I've got my mermaid shirt on, so it goes really well with this. I'm going to go in next with, so hard to choose. I know, don't think too hard, Rhonda. You get an aneurysm. I'm going to go in with Fairy Dust with a flat brush. It's a multi-chrome. It is very ethereal. It's very soft in the pan. I'm building it up. I've got two other palettes by Jolie Beauty. I have the Vampire palette and the Sorceress palette, and I love them both very much. So when I saw that there was another new palette by Jolie, I was like, hell yeah, hook a sister up. And it was $60 US. But it is a very big palette. And the quality is there. It looks much better in person in the mirror. It just looks like it's more pale lavender. That's the problem with multi-chromes. They don't always show up like you want them to. So that's kind of a bummer. So let's go into crystals. Very pretty. There's a darker purple. See if I can't deepen that up a little. Let's show it up a little bit. I think I'm going to have to go a little ham on that to get it to really punch in. Because the shimmer is acting weird on top of the multi-chrome. And you just have to catch the light right to get it to work. It is very pretty. I wish you could see just the shift in colors. You can see the shift, and it's very beautiful. I'm gonna go a little deeper. I am. I'm gonna go into Otherworldly, which is a teal. Oh, that's working. It is matte, so it's laying on top of the other colors nicely. And it's changing the shift of the multi-chrome. Ooh, this is dynamic. Let's get a blending brush and soften this all up and get it all blended pretty. That's gorgeous. I've used 5 brushes. Now I'm going to use my finger and go into Starry-Eyed, which is it's an iridescent color. It's kind of glittery. Kind of chunky. And the pan is white with shifts of blue and purple. Alrighty, we've got a beautiful look here, and let's do some liner and mascara. I'll be right back. Voila, we have voila, we have eyeliner and mascara on. It's always uneven. I can never get that to work right. But, you know, throw a little hair in the way. But it is a beautiful, beautiful look. And I'm going to go with, I don't want a purple lip, but I'm going to go with a beautiful nude lip, which is from Seductress number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And it's a pinky nude. If I was at a club, this eyeshadow would be perfect for the lights, the action, and the cameras, for sure. But I'm digging this look. It took me a lot of work, but I got here. And I feel super glamorous and pretty. I hope you have enjoyed this foray into the Ethereality palette from Jolie Beauty. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.